What's up, different robots, mecha, and other assorted mechanical beings? This is Reska, and I am here to bring you my Leo. I finally got one. I'm very happy to get one. Picked it up at Barnes & Noble. I think I only paid, I think it's a little less than this, but let's see, I don't even know where the price tag, I think they had it shrink wrapped and I tore that off already. I think they had it for $12.95, which is a little pricier than the retail price, but when you get their discount card, it works pretty well. Retail price is only 1,000 yen, so it wasn't a huge markup by any means. Pretty nice to just pick it up and not have to pay for shipping or anything like that. Box art is great, the army of Leos in the background. Don't think I'll be getting that many of them, but I'm looking forward to building this one. I'm going to paint them up and detail them as well. Some great box art on the outside. The new runner setup looks really cool for this. I've seen some unboxings and it looks pretty impressive. Just got the 211 in the line of the HG Aftermarket line. Oz 06 MS Leo. I really hope they bring out some of the other cannon fodder units. Don't know if they will, but really hope that they do. But let's open this up and check out the runners. Going through these runners, first we have the B runner, which is this nice kind of brown, kind of brownish tan runner. A lot of the frame parts and the feet and a couple of the basic armor parts. Looks like there'll be only one type of hand, but very cool. And next we have the C runner, which is going to be some more of the inner frame, just in a gray, plus the clear for the camera, and the weapon and waist parts, and the red part over here. Interesting thing is, there doesn't seem to be any stickers. This is an HG kit with no stickers, which is super impressive. Next we have the A runner, and this is that cool like new layout runner that has every part of it on the same runner, including both of the leg parts and any of the double parts and stuff. There's that really nice shield you can see right here. Very nice. Pretty decent detail for a high grade. Looking forward to building this. And then next we have is just a small runner of polycaps, just all the same kind. Just got these simple, quick polycaps, which is not bad. PC7. Yeah. And then last but not least, of course, got our clear runner for the beam effect parts. Another nice to have. They're kind of short, but I've been building a couple of master grades, so maybe it's partially my imagination. But yeah. And finally, the manual for the Leo. We've got the nice detailed up version of it right here on the cover. Gundam wing. And I think this just folds out, but yeah. So, quick breakdown. You can see where all the parts are actually going to line up on the kit, which is pretty nice. Kind of just showing how to build it. And then it just starts with the legs right off the bat. This is in black and white, obviously. So yeah. No kind of info on the kit. Oh, okay, it's all on the back here. Yep, still got the English that they've been adding, which is nice, since so many countries can speak English as well. I know they probably did that more for the Asian countries, but it's nice for North America and Europe as well, and a lot of other countries that English is an easier second language. There's our color guide. I'm probably going to do a total repaint of this. I might even go for that kind of bluish gray Leo if I can get all the right colors for it, because that would be a really cool variant to go with. But yeah, I am really looking forward to building this, guys and gals, or really the 3 people that might click on this video. Yeah. See y'all soon.